Hello, in this short video, I quickly want to show how to lock group settings for participant not to be able to send message. Uh, Let me go to a group that I'm admin. All you need to do is click on the where you have the name of the group, then scroll down. It will give you will see group settings. Click on group settings. From here, you can change the settings of those that can edit the info of the group. But in the course of this recording, I want to change the setting of those that can send messages to the group. So when you click on send messages, you choose only admin. Then you click on confirm. Then it will change it. You allow only admin to send message to this group. So that is how to go about it. And whenever you want people to contribute in the group, all you need to do is go back to the same procedure. You go back to the same procedure, click on the group name. Where you have the group name, you scroll down to where you have group settings. Then locate send messages. Click on it. Click on all participants. Then confirm them. That is how to change group settings for participants to send or not to send. Thank you. Don't forget, like this video if and at the same time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.